Alright guys, let's get this mini going. Again, thanks everyone for the support. So Grail 126 mini, prizes are first 13 spots, second 9 spots, third 6 spots, fourth 4 spots, fifth 2 spots, and last place gets the Sabrina the Teenage Witch variant. So let's go check the time. So the time is the 5th of May 2020 at 6:53, and the local time in Perth is 5th of May 6:53. So we got a 3 dice roll. Ooh, and the number is 6. And I've put the names in already. So we've got Nelson in spot 210. And Stephen Reynolds in spot number 1. Stephen Reynolds in spot number 1. And Nelson down in 210. So 6 rolls, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, double check that, 2, 4, 6. So the final roll, good luck everyone. Hopefully we get a few winners to get some spots in the main. Here we go, 6th roll. Alright, so let's have a look at who finished last first to get the Adam Hughes cover. Neville. So Neville with spot 210, spot 86 wins the variant. Girl, well done. Now let's have a look if I can do this. So let's see if we can get 5th spot in. Probably won't be able to, but I'll give it a go. 5th spot, we've got Donald White, who gets the 2 spots. 4th spot, Aaron Robertson. 3rd spot, Nelson. 2nd spot, Aaron Robertson. And number 1 is Nelson again. Wow, we had only got 3 winners in the spots. Well done, guys. I'll add those spots into the main and we'll get it going. I'll just make sure we check everything. And that time is 6:55. And that is 6:56. Well, I'll be setting the main up shortly. Thanks, guys.